Hello and welcome to the SmartSuite onboarding series. My name is Artem, I am a product manager at SmartSuite. In this episode, we'll talk about SmartSuite views. Here are the topics that we're going to cover. We'll define what a view is, learn how to set it up, explore different view types, and finally see how a view can be shared. What is a view? A view is how you see and work with data in SmartSuite. Every view displays a slice or a segment of data that is filtered, sorted, grouped, and presented in a specific way. Views live at the table level and are displayed in the left side panel. Views can be private, only accessible to people who created them, or public, visible to other workspace members. Public views can also be organized into folders. A view is defined by its name, an optional description, and a type. To create a new view, click on the plus button at the bottom left corner. And here, SmartSuite offers multiple view types to choose from. A view type defines the layout or the format that is used to display the information. Each type provides a unique angle for you to work with and understand your data. We'll start with a grid view. The table we're currently looking at contains information about quotes in the sales CRM solution. And I don't need to see all those records at once, so I will configure this view to show only the data that matters to me. And here's how. I will select the fields to be visible in this view. Then I will add a filter, account manager equals current user. Then I will group records by status and sort by creation date with the most recent records at the top. And of course, I will give it a meaningful name. And now this view becomes my shortcut to instantly access that subset of records in the quotes table. Using various view types lets you see the same data from different perspectives. For example, the same subset of assigned quotes we have just created as a grid view can be shown as a Kanban board to help me better visualize my sales flow, or as a calendar with each quote's due date appearing as an event. Applying a chart view gives me a higher level overview of trends and sales KPIs. We won't be able to cover all view types in this video, but I highly encourage you to explore them all and apply them in your solutions. Views can also be shared externally. It means that anyone with a shared link can access that view in a read-only mode without logging to SmartSuite. When is it needed? A perfect example would be sharing project updates with a client. There are several options to configure when setting up a shared view, but we will cover them in a separate video. This wraps up our introduction to SmartSuite views. The best way to get comfortable with any new skill is practice. So go ahead, create a view, try out different view types, play with the settings, and I will see you in the next one.